Pluto has a heart-shaped glacier. One of Pluto's most iconic features is the large, heart-shaped formation called the Tombor Regio, named after Pluto's discoverer, Clyde Tombaugh. This area contains nitrogen ice and is thought to be a massive glacier. It has a thin but complex atmosphere. Pluto's atmosphere is made of nitrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide. It's extremely thin but has layers that change with its orbit, growing denser when closer to the Sun and thinning out when farther away. 3. Pluto has a day that's shorter than Earth's, a day on Pluto. One full rotation is about 6 for Earth days long, which means its day is almost a week long by our standards. 4. Pluto's orbit is tilted and elliptical, unlike most planets. Pluto's orbit is significantly more elliptical, elongated, and tilted relative to the plane of the solar system, meaning its distance from the Sun varies dramatically. 5. It has 5 known moons. Pluto has 5 moons, Charon, the largest, and for smaller ones named Styx, Nix, Kerberos, and Hydra. Charon is so large compared to Pluto that the two bodies actually orbit a common center of mass that lies outside Pluto itself. 6. Pluto's surface is incredibly varied. Its surface features a mix of mountains, plains, and icy regions. The tallest mountains on Pluto are about 11,000 feet, 3,500 meters high, and the surface is covered with a variety of ices, including nitrogen, methane, and water ice. 7. Pluto was once the 9th planet for 76 years after its discovery in 1930. Pluto was considered the 9th planet in our solar system. In 2006, it was reclassified as a dwarf planet by the International Astronomical Union (IAU). New Horizons revealed stunning details. NASA's New Horizons spacecraft, which passed Pluto in 2015, provided the first close-up images and data of the dwarf planet, showing a more complex and geologically active world than previously imagined. 9. Pluto's orbit occasionally crosses Neptune's for about 20 years of its orbit. Pluto's path crosses Neptune's orbit, but due to their resonance, they're in a stable gravitational relationship. The two never collide. 10. Pluto may have an internal ocean. Some scientists speculate that Pluto might have a subsurface ocean beneath its icy shell, kept liquid by the heat generated from radioactive decay or tidal forces from its moons. These facts show just how intriguing and complex Pluto is, despite its small size and distant location in the solar system.